Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to do a short walkthrough on how we go about setting up our lab for the Capture the Flag exercise Toppo. So you can get this virtual machine for Toppo up off of the volanhub.com site. Now if you don't know how to find it, you can just go to search, you can just type in Toppo and it'll bring it up for you. Now another thing you can do is just use the link that's inside of the lab file. So let's go ahead and download the file. Now you can download it one of three different ways. I'm going to download it as a torrent, and that's going to begin to download, and I'm going to use my free download manager to use this torrent file to quickly download this file. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the trackers. Now I've already downloaded it, but I'm going to show you the procedure that I use. So here it is, and I've downloaded it to a certain location where I keep all of my virtual machines for these different Capture the Flag exercises. We can go ahead and close this out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and I'm going to go to that downloaded file and I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to scroll on down here till I come to where I save that particular download that I just downloaded. And let's go up here to Capture the Flag, and we're going to go into my Toppo folder here, and here it is. This is the zip file I downloaded. Just double click it. It's going to open it up. Once you have it opened up, it's going to give you the extract all option. Just go ahead and extract it. It's going to extract it to the same location that you saved the zip file. Go ahead and extract. And once the file has extracted, you can go ahead and close that out. Come on back to your desktop. Let's go ahead and bring up our VirtualBox Manager. Now I am using VirtualBox. This file is a VMDK file, but it will work inside of VirtualBox. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Machine, and we're going to go to New. And we're going to pull this down here. We're going to select Linux, and we're going to select Debian 64-bit. And I'm going to go ahead and give this the name of Toppo. I'm going to save it to where I save all my VMs off of another partition that I have on my hard drive. Say next. Go ahead and skip through here. I'm going to select this radio button here, use an existing virtual hard disk file. I'm now going to click on the Browse button, and from here on this next window we click the Add. From here we're going to go into that Toppo folder where we extracted the file, and we're just going to double click it. And now we're just going to click on the Choose button, and we're going to say Create. Now for the network, you may want to go ahead and make sure that your network adapter is configured for bridge networking. That way you'll be ensured to have a network adapter available. And I've done the same thing for my Kali installation. My Kali is set to bridge networking. All of my virtual machines for the Capture the Flag exercises will be set to bridge networking. Now once you have everything configured, you can just go ahead and highlight it, go up here and click on the Start button, or just double click it. That's going to power on this virtual machine for Toppo. Now you can ignore any error messages that appear up inside of this terminal. And when it gets done loading, it's just going to come right up to this terminal prompt. Now notice that you do get an IP address. So that can be the IP address that you're going to use when you get ready to conduct your Nmap scan. Or you can go ahead and do the network discover, and you'll be able to locate the same IP address as well. And as long as you ensure that your Kali machine and your target machine are on the same network, and they should be if they're using bridge networking, you should have no problem with connectivity and completing this short Capture the Flag exercise.